resource packs that I have created are designed to support teachers and students while they are working through the Component 1 recording coursework as part of the Advanced Music Technology A-Level. There are 2 sets of resources in this pack. Firstly, there is the Guide to Mixing Moaning Lisa Smile by Wolf Alice. This resource is meant for teachers only. There is no audio supplied, and the audio can be downloaded from the edXL website. This resource consists of a reference mix logic file with appropriate plugins and routing for the track, a comprehensive written guide to the mixing and production process, and an in-depth video that covers audio editing and other production techniques used in the song. It is not meant for use by the students and is there as a supportive reference guide for the teacher. The second resource is based on a track called Whinging Tom by Alan Dogg. This resource is for the students to gain the skill sets needed to create a successful mix of the Wolf Alice song. The arrangement, instrumentation and mixing techniques mirror the processes used in the Moaning Lisa track. It is meant to be used as a preparation assignment before attempting the coursework. The resource consists of a reference mix for the teachers, audio tracks for importing, a preparation mixing assignment, and 15 supporting task videos covering different aspects of the mixing process. It is a comprehensive resource that covers all the aspects of mixing in this particular genre and will help the students when they are working on their final coursework.